Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the exquisite Joy&Grace Acacia wooden serving tray with metal handles, a perfect blend of durability and elegance for your living room or coffee table. Crafted from natural acacia wood, this tray boasts a smooth texture and rich tones, making it a stylish addition to any decor. Expertly handcrafted with polished edges and mortise and tenon joints, it ensures lasting durability while protective bottom pads keep your furniture scratch-free. Measuring 16.7 by 12.8 inches, the tray features sleek metal handles for easy carrying, and its rich wood grain texture offers a harmonious aesthetic that suits any occasion. Whether you're organizing spaces in your living room, bedroom, or kitchen, or using it as a coffee table, food, dinner, or ottoman tray, its versatility is unmatched. Imagine surprising a loved one with breakfast in bed, served on this elegant tray that adds warmth and joy to any setting. Elevate your home decor with the Joy&Grace Acacia wooden serving tray, where craftsmanship meets functionality in the most beautiful way. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.